Guys, I heard there's a new claw machine in Australia and I really want to go. But the thing is, I don't even know if it's worth going all the way across town. Maybe I should ask that girl over there. Hey, do you think it's worth going to the claw machine in Australia? Definitely. Look at all these cool Fidgets I got from there. Oh, okay, I just wanted to make sure if it was worth going. Wait, but you do need Simple Dimples. Okay, luckily I have Simple Dimples right here. Let's go to Australia now. Whoa, there's so many people. I need to look for the claw machine. Oh my gosh, there it is. Hey, can I please participate in the mini claw machine? I have my Simple Dimples right here. Oh no, dear, I don't think those are the Simple Dimples we need. Oh, well, which ones do you need? The design Simple Dimples. You can get them from our friends around here. Okay, got it. I'll go trade them. Hey, are you willing to accept my Simple Dimple for your Christmas tree Simple Dimple? Of course, dear. You can keep it. Okay, thank you. Hey, can I please give you my Triple Dimple for that Simple Dimple? Of course, why not? Thank you. Now let's go to them. Could I give you the Simple Dimple for your Santa Claus Simple Dimple? Sure, why not? One more to go. Would you like this classic Simple Dimple for your Snowman Simple Dimple? Ooh, dear, that is lovely. Guys, I got them all, but I really want that reindeer Simple Dimple over there. Hi, can I please trade you my Christmas tree Simple Dimple for your reindeer Simple Dimple? You can keep it. Thank you so much. Hey, I'm back with all of my design Simple Dimple. Great job, dear. You can pick one of these now. Oh my gosh, where did you get those? I actually got them from the link in my bio. They are so worth it, and they're popping bracelets. From Hello Fidget Toy. Ooh, okay, I'm gonna buy one myself, but I'll go with the yellow one. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go for the globble on top. Oh my gosh, guys, I got the globble. Guys, this was totally worth going here. Guys, it only took 3 more Simple Dimples to empty out the whole claw machine. This was so fun.